This time we are living in, there's a lot of factors changing. There are so many views on how the future will evolve. We thought at this time we need someone to have a look at what the likely development of the energy transition is looking like. We have a good foot both in the oil and gas camp and one foot in the renewables and power camp, and we thought we would be able to produce a balanced and a good view on how this would most likely going to evolve over the next 30-35 years. So the central to the report is around two things. I think it's around the way we use energy, that we will use energy in a much more efficient way, both the way it's generated and being used. And the other mega trend, you can call it, it's around decarbonization. Basically reducing the carbon footprint from energy activity. The energy mix will change quite a lot over this period that we are looking at. By 2050 we will have almost an equal footing in the fossil and the non-fossil energy domain. And today we have 81% coming from fossil, so that's a big, I would say, development of the energy mix. And we will see solar and PV developing fast during this period, which will contribute both to more efficiency and, of course, reducing the carbon footprint in the energy mix. The report says that we will actually miss the target set by the Paris Agreement, keeping within 2 degrees Celsius limit. Our report suggests that we will have emptied our carbon budget by 2041. And we will still be emitting CO2 to the atmosphere almost to the end of this century. That's of course the bad news of the report. Even with this massive changes in both energy efficiency and the uptake of renewables, we're still short of the Paris target of 2 degrees Celsius. So our forecast suggests a 2.5 degrees Celsius future rather than a 2. But again, we have not looked at some of the technologies that could help us get there and bridge some of the gap. And that is related to geothermal, is related to hydrogen, and is related to the uptake of carbon capture and storage.